Welcome to Taposhi education tutorial. Student, I hope you see part 1 of this chapter, plant life. Here we discuss about the propagation through stem. From the underground stem, some plants like potato, ginger, gladiolus and onion have underground modified stem which help in vegetative propagation. Here such pictures are given. You easily understand how the plants through stem propagate. Right, student? Now we discuss about the vegetative propagation through leaves and roots. In here, student, you see a biofilm leaves and its propagation occurs in plants. Like we already told here, biofilm and begonia. In biofilm, birds are present in the notches on the margin of leaves. Right, student? Now here the plants develop into new plants and then the new plant separated from the mother leaves and grow on its own and survive. Okay, children? Now the vegetative propagation occurs from roots in plants like sweet potato, dahlia and asparagus. The vegetative reproduction takes place by roots. These plants have swollen roots. Here you look the swollen roots like a inflated balloons to store food here and along with adventitious birds. These birds rise to new plants on getting detached. Right, student? Okay, student, I think you've understood this part of the plant life. Next, in the part 3, I will come the reproduction from seed. Thank you for watching. See you next time.